Would you like to learn how to make this cheesy, family-friendly casserole on a budget? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're making stuffed shells and it's all about Walmart. Let's get started. First, we're going to make this basic tomato sauce. Start by dicing up 1 small onion and slicing or mincing 1 or 2 garlic cloves. Get some olive oil into a saucepan over medium heat and get the onion in there. Season it up with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning mix. Give it a stir and cook until it goes nice and soft, about 6 or 7 minutes. Add in the garlic and some tomato paste. Stir and cook for about 1 more minute. Really try and get that tomato paste in contact with the heat on the bottom of the pan. Now we're going to add in these canned tomatoes. I like to get the whole tomatoes and spin them up with a stick blender. You could use a food processor or even just crush them up by hand. Pour them right in. Stir it all up, partially cover, and let it simmer for about 25 or 30 minutes. While the sauce simmers, I'll go over the budget for this. I don't normally do the ingredient shots, but I wanted to show you that everything for this recipe can be had at Walmart. I wanted to stay right at that $20 mark. Here's the receipt. The caveat here is that I didn't have to buy eggs, the onion, or the garlic. I already had them. If you have to buy everything, you'll go a little bit over. But if you have even just 1 or 2 ingredients already, like the olive oil, the eggs, or maybe the pan spray, you can definitely do this for about $20 US. Now we'll cook this pasta. Get some salt in the water and cook these shells for about 1 minute less than what it says on the package. Drain them and get them into some cold water to stop the cooking and keep them from sticking together. While the pasta cooks, let's stir up this cheese filling. 15 ounces of ricotta in a bowl. I'll link to the recipe down below. Add in some shredded mozzarella, some grated Parmesan, a couple tablespoons of chopped parsley, and 1 egg. Stir it all up to combine. Now we can work on the assembly. Coat a 9x13 inch baking dish with nonstick spray. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 190 Celsius. Spoon in a layer of the tomato sauce to coat the bottom of the dish. I like to reserve some sauce to put on top for serving, so don't use it all here. Take a shell and spoon in some of this filling. Arrange the stuffed shells in the baking dish. Sprinkle the top with more mozzarella. And some more Parmesan. Cover it up with foil and bake until the sauce goes bubbly, about 30 minutes. While you wait, if you enjoy learning about how to make family meals on a budget, click that like button for me. YouTube will recommend my videos to more people, and I really appreciate you helping grow my channel. After 30 minutes, take off the foil and crank up the heat or turn on the broiler for just a minute or two and get a little color on the top. It's time to eat. Spoon a little more sauce over the top if you like. Hit it with some more chopped parsley or some basil. If you'd like another family pasta bake, click on this video right here and I'll see you there.